Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing home jerk chicken and pasta. Here I have my chicken, elbow macaroni. Now I'm gonna start the process and show you how I done my home jerk chicken and pasta. Now I'm gonna clean up my chicken, wash it and season it up. Now I'm gonna season my chicken with some Maggi chicken seasoning, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and I'm gonna add some Grace Jamaican hot jerk seasoning, now I'm gonna mix it up, not adding any salt to it because the season already have a lot of salt in it. Now I'm gonna mix it up. Now my chicken is finished seasoning. And here I have a pot on the stove. Now I'm gonna cook my pasta. Pour in some oil in the water so that the pasta don't stick inside. Add in some salt. Now I'm gonna add in my pasta. Giving it a stir, then leave it to cook. And now I'm gonna place my chicken in the pan to put it in the oven. And now I place my chicken in the pan. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven. Now I'm gonna add some pound mixed vegetable. My chicken, first a turn, making my barbecue sauce now. Now I'm gonna add some ketchup, add in some sugar, add in some barbecue sauce, then I'm gonna add some water. And stir it. And leave it to boil till it gets. Now my barbecue sauce get thick. Now it's finished. Now I'm going to give my chicken a turn. Now I'm gonna pour my barbecue sauce over my chicken. Then I'm gonna turn it on the other side. And I'm gonna pour some barbecue sauce on this side. Now my pasta finished cook. Now I'm gonna add my mayonnaise. Now I'm gonna mix it up. And here my pasta finished made. Giving my chicken a next turn. Look at it, guys. Here my chicken cook. See if I can sink into it. See? So now I'm gonna put it back in the oven for the next 5 minutes. There, my home jerk barbecue chicken is finished. And here is my oven jerk barbecue chicken and pasta with some raw veg. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching.